Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm actually on my way to Atican Beach, so I want to go check if it's worth the hype because everyone is talking about that place. So guys, we just got to VGC and we just got halfway. I mean, Atican Beach is actually very far. If you are going from the mainland to the highland, it's like 2 hours drive without traffic. So we just got to Atican Beach, and I heard that beside Atican Beach we have Barracuda Beach, we have Laguna, and we have some other beautiful beach closer to Atican. So guys, this is how Atican Beach looks like. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.